Power your renewable energy projects with confidence using the IEC 131H1Z2Z2-K Solar Cable supplied by TPC Solar. Engineered for professional-grade systems, our cables ensure maximum safety and consistent energy yield. Extreme durability, superior UV stability, and water resistance ideal for harsh outdoor environments. Versatile installation, rugged construction approved for direct burial with high mechanical stability. Certified safety, fully CPR-compliant Class CCA, and halogen-free, meeting N 50618 and IEC 62. Thermal resilience, reliable performance from -40 degrees Celsius to +120 degrees Celsius max conductor temperature. Technical data, voltage rating DC 1500 volts, conductor tin stranded copper for anti-corrosion, standard IEC 62930 and 50618. Trust TPC Solar to provide the specialized high-efficiency industrial components required for your power infrastructure. At TPC Solar, we provide high customer value, customer support, product warranty, products with complete certifications. TPC Solar is pleased to announce international shipping of our products with a particular focus on the Middle East. TPC Solar is committed to providing reliable service and ensuring that our solar solutions reach clients efficiently. Visit us at tpcsolars.com.